welcome back to my channel. So today I did a very short tutorial on this purpley look for Easter. I did tap into the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette and I used the really nice vibrant purple color from that. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then you are in the right place at the right time. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. So we already have foundation, bronzer, blush, brows done. I set everything down just for the safety of time. I am going to be playing around with the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette again today. It's Easter, so I'm wearing the same shirt that I wore in another YouTube video, and just ignore that. But I'm wearing a skirt, it looks really cute. Maybe I'll put a little shot in here of my outfit. But anyway, so I'm going to try to do a purpley look and tap into this really nice purple color that's down here. So first things first is I'm going to throw on a transition shade and zoom you guys in. So first things first is I'm going to go in with a transition color, and today I'm going to be using the third one from the top. I'm going to deepen the look and I'm going to go into this brown color here. I'm going to go into this really deep brown color here on the bottom. It does have a burgundy hue to it. I'm actually going to go into this Luxie brush. This is the Luxie 249. It's a duo brush, but I'm going to use the tapered blending side. Tap into that, tap off the excess, and go into the crease. Once that's on there, I'm going to go back into the first brush that I had in my transition color and blend everything together. And just going to do the same thing on the other side. So this is a Lancome double-ended brush as well. I'm going to take the concealer brush side of it, and I'm going to take some concealer. And today I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. I'm going to take a little bit of that on the back of my hand, and I'm going to carve out the eyelid to put that purple shade. Then taking the other side of this Luxie brush, I'm going to go into that purple color and I'm going to spray it with some Tarte Rainforest of the Sea spray so we can get the highest pigmentation. I'm then going to go into this Morphe M31 brush, and I'm going to take a little bit of that dark shade and sort of blend everything together in the crease. And I'll go back into that first brush and blend everything together. And then to intensify the color of the purple, I'm going to go in with my middle finger and I'm going to tap into some of the color and pop it on there. I have a little bit of fallout, so I take a very dense brush and I quickly sweep it away. going to take some of this second shade here and pop that in the inner corner and the upper brow bone for a highlight. So first I'm going to tightline using the Colourpop Gel Eyeliner in black. And I'm also going to gel waterline the bottom, and you've seen me use this a million times. This is the Marc Jacobs Highliner Matte Gel Crayon in the color Mist Me. And we're going to finish off the lower lash line as well. I'm going to first go in with a tapered, this is a brow brush, but I'm going to use that on the bottom, and I'm going to take that with some of that transition color first and just sweep that on the lower lash line. And then on a small pencil brush, and this is the Colourpop E10 brush, I'm going to go into that purple color, and I'm also going to smudge that out onto the lower lash line. Then to finish off the eyes, I'm going to go in with some mascara. I am not feeling eyeliner. In fact, I have not been feeling eyeliner lately at all. So I'm going to go in with the Clinique LenghtsMascara, which you've also seen me use a million times. And I'm just going to generously coat the upper and lower lashes. To intensify the inner corner a little bit, so I'm going to go into the Colourpop Supershock highlighter in the color Flexitarian. This is sort of my trick. I take that and I just pop that in the inner corner. It's so creamy and so bright. It really does wonders. So now that the eyes are done, and they turned out much better than I thought they would, I'm going to zoom you guys out, and I'm going to throw on some highlight and some lips. So now we are zoomed out. I am going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm going to tap into this really nice purple color that's up at the top. So I'm going to take that on a tapered blending brush, and I'm just going to go in with a really light hand because this purple is very intense. I'm going to pop that on. Then to mute that purple out just a little bit, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter in the color Precious Petals. I'm just taking a highlighting brush, which I have been loving, and I'm just going to pop that on as well. We are going to set everything with the Urban Decay Allnighter Setting Spray. And I'm going to finish off the look with some lips. Today I'm going to be going in with the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in the color Aquarius Satin. It's a really nice pink color. It's very subtle. That completes this look. I hope you guys liked this very small tutorial on an eye look. Again, if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time with another new video. Bye guys!